If you're looking to learn how to configure role-based access control in Tenable, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up this feature so you can manage who has access to your Tenable environment, all in under 5 minutes. Stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing an exclusive bonus that could save you some serious time and money. First off, Role-Based Access Control, RBC, in Tenable helps you manage access to various parts of the platform, ensuring that only authorized users can see or modify sensitive information. This is especially useful for organizations looking to ensure compliance and maintain the security of their vulnerability management processes. Next thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Users section in your Tenable account. Here, you'll find a list of all the users within your organization, and from this page, you can start configuring roles. When configuring roles, you'll have to define what each user is allowed to do. This is where Tenable offers flexibility. You can choose from several predefined roles such as admin, user, or read-only, depending on the level of access you want to grant. If none of these work for your specific needs, you can create custom roles with more granular permissions. The fourth thing to keep in mind is understanding the permissions available. Tenable gives you the ability to manage permissions for things like scanning, viewing reports, or changing settings. So, if you want a user to only run scans, you can configure the role to give them that specific permission without allowing them to modify other aspects of the system. Now, once you've set up the roles, you can assign them to users. Go back to the Users section, select the user you want to assign the role to, and from there, choose the appropriate role. It's a simple process, but crucial to keeping your environment organized and secure. After this, it's important to test the roles to ensure that the permissions are working as expected. Log in as a user with a new role and check that they only have access to the areas you want them to. This step is vital to ensure your configuration is secure and functioning properly. Lastly, Tenable offers a feature that allows you to audit role-based access, so you can track changes and make sure that users only have access to what they should. This audit trail can be extremely helpful for maintaining compliance and spotting any issues before they become bigger problems. So, that's how you configure role-based access control in Tenable. And as a bonus, if you check the link in the description, you can access Tenable for free with an exclusive extended trial, giving you a risk-free opportunity to implement RBC and more. Remember, by configuring RBC properly, you're ensuring that only the right people have access to the critical systems in your organization, helping protect your network from unnecessary risks. That's it for this quick Tenable explanation on role-based access control. Don't forget to grab that extended free trial by clicking the first link below.